Hi, in this video we're going to show you a neat little free tool you could use to quickly make desktop shortcuts for some of the more popular tasks in Windows. It's called Handy Shortcuts, so this has been around for a long time, but I figured in case you've never seen it, you might want to check it out. So once you download it, it's a free download. It's just an executable, nothing to install. Just simply double click on it, and you'll have all these menu items here. So shortcut to lock your windows, all you can do is click on Create. And it'll put it on your computer, and then you have a shortcut there to lock your computer. Just like that. And then, switch user accounts, shut down. So restart, log off, hibernate, show desktop, add or remove programs, device manager, security center. And if you go to advanced here, you'll see some of the older ones, like obviously this has been around since Windows 7, but these will still work. So master control panel. Just take you to control panel. Obviously you can make these shortcuts yourself, but this is just a way to quickly make them. Let's say you don't know how to make a safely remove hardware shortcut. You could just use this. And then you have your safely remove hardware section. Something like this shortcut to Windows DVD Maker won't work for Windows 11 since it's not there anymore. But most of the other ones will. So like I said, it's just a free download. You just run it, and if you're done with it, you just delete the executable. But it's more like a one-time usage thing just to make the shortcuts you want. So I'll put a link in the description where you could go and download it, and then you could make all the shortcuts you need. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.